Kaizer Chiefs, Khosi 2, Stellenbosch. You know what I'm saying? But like it was pretty obvious. They were deliberate 4 times in a row, but expecting. And first of all, I just wanna say, we starting lineup, say course, they didn't expect like that starting lineup, like the way like been predicting our corner, everything didn't go the way I assumed. I thought it would like there'll be Shinga, but there was no Shinga. I think maybe it is because of like into the preseason I noticed ukuthi umjita bekafake into yabo bandage yabo. So I think a problem like injury, any injury or anything. But I don't think it is something that's hectic and we bangafuni vele but like bantu athola vele injury because it was the same thing with like Inacio Miguel, and this was one of the same reasons about they did with Thabo Cele vele at the end of the season, last season yabo. But yeah, what a way to start a season. I'm just gonna keep on saying this again. What a way to start a season. Mamelodi Sundowns draw, Pirates lost. Yabo kule viki angeke bathole peace, I don't wanna lie. But yeah, and then another thing I just wanna get into, okay, bekusakhuluma ngale kaShing yabo, and then uCross was played on that side. First of all, I just wanna say ukuthi let's just support uCross. uCross umnandi vele yabo ngento when it comes ukuthi like controlling the ball and stuff. Umnandi. The problem ngaye, I think it is the same issue to Shinga, but Shinga I haven't like seen him that much because of like he pace yabo. But today uCross like I don't know to Hitler and that guy about Cross and the one and only Nyambo Sam Tom Cool Matota. I don't know why you all actually hating Nyambos because I believe you all actually saw which was the lead vele was second of my fight. I haven't like even getting into a game yet about Kuluma like about what is actually happening between us and my friends the coach and the team vele. It's like the whole, and then another thing starting lineup. I thought I would see like the one and only Flavio Silva. I was like, nah, Flavio, we're gonna see Flavio Silva today, and he's gonna be proving a lot of people wrong in. But I saw like Uhlongwane, and then I saw Tuba, and then I was like, maybe we're playing 4-4-2. I thought it maybe they're kind of like playing 4-4-2. They will lay on that side and then to on like the right winger side, on the left winger side, and then there'll be Ngobo and Unto. What's this guy? The one in only Induna Yendao. I thought they'll be Candy Shop and Indua Yendao, but they just played another formation available, and then they played the usual formation, but this time what Ucele was deep available, and then uNcobo nonto nomdu vele yabo they were playing is like into i-10 vele yabo beyi-2, which told ukuthi like into i-match vele from the way abayenza khombe bafuna vele ukuhlasela vele yabo. And then uTuba playing on the winger side, I was like uyakhombisa ukuthi vele damn kuyakhombisa ukuthi vele umjita vele is not vele natural vele a winger vele because he won't be taking vele ama-players. But one thing about him is that uzokunikeza leyo first touch leyo, and like angeke vele alose but uzokwenza lento le ufuna ukuyenza ukuthi mabakutransitionele ibhola ukuthi vele alithole vele yabo. And then on the striking department, what a beautiful debut for the one and only number 31, the top goal scorer, I think, at 36 last season, if I'm not mistaken. Nah, I think I'm mistaken. I think but one of the like best upcoming youngsters in SA, the one and only. Even though like the kid didn't like score, but the way corner, aggression, my guy, pace, pressure. That was one of the things like I'm always like crying for. Was like we need a striker. We need like a striker, because like press. I mean, like Peter Shalui. Even though like I'm not saying good and like Shalui because, but I wanted like a player who was very pass. It was press available, and then maybe he's good value also like on finishing. Because one thing we have that player which is Umoris available, but instead of like positioning himself, I was very pushing. But if today he received like a killer pass, especially when like actually like he red card, if like he received like a killer pass, we're going to talk about something different. And then this season, the one and only, you see Candy Shop, what a free kick from me. I just free kick. always mawulibhekile vele yabo, it wasn't like that like far vele yabo, but like the power vele behind it. And uyamcava ukuthi like uNgcobo vele yabo, uma befake inkomo dlala Ngcobo, dlala Ngcobo, dlala Ngcobo. You see that one by like Nasty C yabo. I want to see like ama-edit ngaleyo ngoba leyo vele ngodwa Candy Shop vele yabo. But besides that, it was that about this thing. Besides that, I think like uNkosiphile Ngcobo vele about this, like it is the season because like as ready because to show ukuthi awezi umjito mnandi ne. But the thing with him first time abama introduce and it was the thing ukuthi like we couldn't have like transfer like ama-players singing like ama-players and stuff and because of like FIFA ban yabo. And then like he was more of like a player vele lafika dana anganto ufike lapha singakwazi vele ukuba vele nama-signings. It was like into yokuthi vele yabo we were forced vele yabo. So this season it just needs to show it like it wasn't like a mistake or anything. It just needs to redeem himself because into engila noticisa ngama-attacking midfielder wethu we have Sereno Tuba and not Tuba Mtu vele yabo. Umtu he's more of like uyapress hlezi like ajahile vele yena ne. And then uSereno naye who like go like uzofuna ukuconvert aye like uside elingalena vele on the left winger side vele yabo. And then another I think midfield we have like uMatlo which is more the same of like uNgcobo, but silo ukuthi uNgcobo vele yabo umnandi more vele yena yabo, Candy Shop vele something else beautiful into free kick for him. And then on the goalkeeper department today, if I'm being honest, I wasn't like happy. And then with like the match, well, as in whole, let's speak about the match, available as in whole, I wasn't like happy that much because it's a Mabatula Valley red card. I don't think Uguchi they were supposed to still impose his press, my guy. That's way. Bunga milang step press it in that way because I was crying. Okay, I understand the way vele coach vele setting a corner vele into information ukuthi ufake vele ama attacking midfielders I2 and then wadlala vele deep vele ezunto ngocele vele. I understand that, but as I'm a players, my guy, and I was sitting with one of my brothers and then he was telling me ukuthi like nah. Unto ucele vele yabo was supposed to vele to be the one who communicate vele yabo ba structure that because I think we needed another like players or drop vele badlala vele 6 vele yabo no cele, not because we are defending, get me right, not because we are defending them, but if like a team like Stellenbosch and Pressa babe like they are shooting with into ama-players vele yabo. And one thing besingazenzi nathi favor because like best attack as if like abana player like a shooter best attack ngathi like we're not even leading ne. So into like bengizoyijabulela ukuthi ngibone unto ukuba khona lim player mhlawumbe uNgcobo yabo ba drop vele kube khona like badlala sibe nama 6-2 and then into ezoyenzeka ukuthi we sidlala kama back passes again and then Stellenbosch the moment is press available se executor diagonal for the ball and then siyafinisha. Simple as that. I could slow like scene to slap because it was like pound to pound and then like they were pressing us more and then bokuvela because kubangathi like I think which is why Unyambos somkhulu when he was introduced vele about. And one of the things my friends are calling ngithi ama big passes like which is why ama big passes kamjita they were most important like because I'm not saying ukuthi like the second half were like on par, but bafethu besikwazi besingekho la besingasapresswa like that much vele yabo nje vele igame besiqala vele yabo. And then masezophela I was like nah, we can't like just win this game vele nge-1-0 and we're having more opportunities vele yabo, but we didn't finish them and we can't be having that issue this season. But bokuyinto ukuthi bengafiki vele on the last man vele pass ne, but you can't be having like the same issues like this season. You can't be having an issue last season yokuthi nah, but we're having opportunities and then like as we finish yabo. I don't, and then there was an offside like but I didn't see because I was distracted ukuthi and abadlalanga ne-replay ukuthi ngibone ukuthi vele it was offside, so I don't know if they robbed that or anything, but yeah, you see I can yep the whole hour because not consolation my people. I can yep the whole hour and I really appreciate Izola. I saw it's like you gain like some couple of subscribers about more than like the other days and I really appreciate it. Let's get the channel to 1K subscribers and yeah, man, just gonna keep on doing what we're doing and Kubuka lapho. Another thing, guys, I forgot to say something. My man of the match. Damn, how could I forget? But I think mic for this one. My man of the match, I will give it to Peterson. He saved us. I saw vele about they gave it to Edin Makati. Umchita velumnandi vele. But I think it is even the best duel between him and Inashko Miguel more than like Utotli vele. And Utotli have like it's half time coming back. But I'd just like to give it to Undo. Peterson, I'm giving Peterson perspective of like a fan, well, not in terms of permanent, because like he improves. So for like a clean sheet, that says a lot. And then Nakone improve, even though I'm not happy that much, but like the man of the match straight is Eden McCarthy because of like the weak rate, like the way I'm a corner, shout out to him. So yeah.